And there it is, action. Hey, Christian, Jim here. Um, just wanted to connect with you. Working on getting the links and things that we talked about, the call recordings, etc. Quite honestly, I don't even know where half that stuff is. It's not where I spend my days. So we're getting those put together. Friday went right into a training full day weekend. Everybody was engaged in other support. So we're getting that out to you. I just want to touch base with you on two quick things. One is your sales style, and I know obviously you'll have the links and you can hear some of the verbiage and style and what we do. Just know that we don't teach any specific style. Like I said, I'm going to send you a recording also of my module one on my training for my influence map, because so you'll see basically we teach context and mindset, and our influence map, what we've created, is a context creator that is designed for anybody's script to fall inside of it. So the intention is to focus on how people are being, who they're being, and what they're doing, so that we can then overlay the content and the pieces in it that fit. So you'll see that, style-wise, piece of cake match, and whatever isn't on point and on brand for you now easily can be. We literally spend 7 days a week training on the sales conversation. That's all we train on. So our entire team, everything in the context of our team interactions and trainings for our team are all around fine-tuning the enrollment conversation at the granular level. What was happening here, what's happening here, who you being that attracted this type of response from somebody, etc. That's all we focus on, as well as the mechanics of the conversation. So as we start working with you, then the brand fit will happen. So we'll get training from you, input from you on exactly where are the non-negotiables, what are the things you really want to see. And bottom line is we get results. So when it comes down to it, you want the results as well as the brand fit, which will happen. The longer we work together, the more natural that brand fit is, just like anybody else who is working for you in-house. The other piece is, with the commission differences, I understand 15 to 10. Bottom line is we can sit down, run the numbers, and see what is the additional conversions that you would need to be able to make up the difference in the gap in the spread. And bottom line is we got a badass rock star team, including people like Angie and Jill that and many others. And this is the ideal fit for you. I feel like this is a great energetic match. I think everything is solid and on point, and I think you'll feel the same. So I just wanted to get back to you. I want you to have something from me today, so just letting you know. So the other stuff will be coming to you shortly, as that's all being gathered and sent out. So hopefully your training's rocking, everything's going great for you guys, and we'll talk soon.